Alright, first cold start after the full tune on E85. Hopefully it starts up. But the exhaust kind of just shot some E85 out. Oh my god, like, for those of you who are on E85, you guys know. Now, I haven't been on E85 with a boosted setup ever, and the last time I was on E85, I was NA, so the smell didn't really get that crazy. E85 has a very, very distinctive smell. It kind of, I don't know, like it's a nice smell, but at the same time, like, it's not a nice smell. I wouldn't want to sit like in a room with E85 for like more than probably 20 minutes. It'd probably get too much. But in this video, we're about to do a POV hard pulls on E85, man. I am gonna be on the 7 PSI map for this video. When I get the revised tune, I'm gonna be on the 15 PSI map. So we'll have some fun at the 7 PSI map, and then we'll make another video, hard pulls, on the 15 PSI map when I get that all revised. So I'm gonna transition over to the GoPro, go, you know, drive around, have some fun, and yeah, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications so you guys stay up to date, because we got a lot of things coming to the car, and let's go for a drive. Oh my god. car is a lot faster. I'm telling you guys this right now. And this is only the 7 PSI map. Not really going into like red line shifts like too much, because if that at all. I kind of want to get used to like it on 7 PSI, but this is it's fast. Take a turn right here. E85 just like runs cooler, like a lot cooler in the car. So like the oil temp doesn't even get that high anymore. That's actually surprising. you guys did enjoy that video. I'm gonna just cruise around for a little bit more, but I'm not gonna really rip it down the normal road I usually do rip it, because cops have been incredibly hot over there recently, and they, you know, they have some more undercovers now that I'm now finding out about. So hope you guys did enjoy. The car rips, super fun. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, all that good stuff. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. It's been more Redline POV. Deuces.